let's start making the Telegram board, and to start, let's add the trigger node for the listening. So click on it and insert for Telegram here, and we need on message. And now we have to, I already created the account, but let's create another one. So the Telegram search for this bot father and just create a new bot. So write new bot here. So we have to choose a name for that. Okay, finally yoga. We got a name, and then let's copy this token and just paste it here. And save it, and let's go back and let's try to execute this. So we have to go to the link and start it. So send us a hi bot. We send the message, we receive the message here. Okay, we're receiving it, and where it is the message here. Okay, we send the, again we should execute, and as we can see hi bot is there. So let's move on and try to add. So now the next thing we have to add is like edit field. By this, like, we only want the important things like text message only to move forward. So will be chat input, and values will be json.message.text. Just drag and drop here and execute it. Here it gives only the message, pass the message only. And after that, like, we don't want, like, if let's check it before sending things to agent, it's not send some null thing. So for that, if else made if and the chat input is not equal to null and empty string is not equal to empty string. If that's true, then only we like AI agent. We pass the message to AI agent and json.input, and just I will paste my system message. I will in the description also, so you can use that here. I will put the link also to, you can see there, and just execute it. And the chat model is not there, we have to select the chat model. So for this we will use OpenAI chat model, and like Gemini for Omni we will use because it's good for learning and testing purpose, and is also like it's cheap. So yeah, we have the chat model. Let's arrange it a bit, and then we need a memory which will remember our conversation. If we don't add the memory, like what? Okay, now we added it. So like if we message like what the capital Netherlands, okay, it will execute. And how can I assist you? Oh, we have to execute this. And the capital of, okay, Netherlands is Amsterdam. And if we ask it again, okay, what is the best place to visit there? So it don't have a memory, So we don't know, could you specify the destination? We don't have a memory, so we have to define a memory to give it a memory so it remembers the conversation. So we have bunch of different too, but for our we will use simple memory of by given by anytime, and the context window length like 5, so that's good. And it requires a session ID, uh, which we will give by message here, and here we give define below by our, and it will be like message ID. It's good for that message form ID. Yeah. Okay, so now we will, if we execute it, what is the best place to have lunch there? Let's see. Okay. Okay, so we will have to start the conversation again. Let's run it, activate. Let's execute this, message it again. It will answer the capital of Amsterdam. Now we will ask like what is the best place to have lunch there, and let's see. And yeah, it's sent. And oh, we have to, yeah, again and again execute this. So yeah, oh, it's, see, now it have no like the context about Amsterdam, and these are the place to have lunch there. So yeah, that's good, we know it now. So now let's add our tool. Add the tool like Google Task, so it will like get our task. So I already log in there, like edit my credential. So it will first we need to get the task, and task ID, we have the my task, like which like you have in your Google. So as we can go there. Okay, no, not so we add the my task, and it will have. So now we add the get task. Let's sort on the, now let's add like create task. It will create the task inside my task, and now let's add update task if you wanted to update our task. So there it is, and same here we will use this star model, so let the model will decide the ID. So now we are like making a CRUD, like create, read and update, and let's also make a delete. Click on plus button and let's add final Google task, so it will delete the task. If we wanted to know what the schedule of our today, so let's add Google Calendar also. So Google Calendar, and tool description set automatically. I already had the credential for the Google Calendar. If you don't know how to do it, just comment it. I will made a small video around it. Like it's not very big, but if you want it, like the Google Docs will tell you how to. This talk will tell you how to edit. If you don't tell me in the comment, I will make a video bit. So which calendar you want to like me, and this will like decided by, and let's also add a tool like which will get our mail, Gmail, which will get our, we can also send it, but we want like get many, and like that will be more good. So now we have all this added into our account. So now let's add Telegram, and which will send back the message to us. Send text message back to us about all the info. So client ID, yeah, drag and drop, and we should execute this. So and we should give the ID like message ID, message chat ID. If we execute this, and we will see, yeah, like we got the message and also like the message sent by N10. So we can also remove that. It's very easy, like go to additional field and just select append N10 attribution and just close it. So now try to execute it again. So what's my today tasks? Now let's see. Okay, now it's sent. Executing. Okay, now there is a tick mark, so maybe it's executed. So let's see, it taking quite a time. So yeah, it sent the message now, and yeah, as you can see, make a video at this time, do the React project and all, and gym, yeah, nice. And also like what's the important mail I got today? So let's see. Okay, I have to execute it. So we got the summary. So yes, we got the mail summary, and we got our tasks. We got the now let's check our task update. And okay, so let's refresh this. So we have make video and planning. So now let's update our task. Let's listen to it. Got it. Delete this. So what my task? Make a video in N10. Add the task to have lunch at 12 p.m. Oh, I put a comma there by mistake. Okay, it's added. Like give me the link, but I had a lunch at 12 p.m. The AI is smart enough to put a tell. And now let's delete it. The task has been successfully deleted. So let's check it now. Yes, it's deleted. And this is how we can create a Telegram bot which can get our tasks, get our calendar thing, and get our email in a summary. So that's all for, and that's all. That's how you make your own Telegram bot and give it a thumbs up to yourself. And if you wanted to learn more, you can watch these videos, and see you until next video. Bye bye.